Hello guys, welcome back to Brightstar channel. It's me, Wing again. Let's straight to the topic of today. Pockets got 3,500 upper laptop can buy. 3,500 laptop, actually we have a lot of options, but let's divide it by three different parts. First is home or student laptop. Second is commercial laptop. Third is gaming laptop. Let's go to see which laptop suitable for you. First part, let's talk about home or student laptops. At my right side, we have Dell 5000 series. Selling price is 3,299 with 15.6-inch Full HD screen using Intel i5 10th generation 35G1 processor with 8GB RAM, 256GB PCIe SSD, NVIDIA Geforce MX 3302GB graphic card, Windows 10 and free with Microsoft Home and Student, 2 years on-site warranty. And my left side we have HP Pavilion 14 series. Selling price is 3,199. It is using 14-inch Full HD screen. Processor is using same model with Dell 10th generation i5 35G1 processor. 8GB RAM with 512GB PCIe SSD. NVIDIA Geforce MX 2502GB graphics. Windows 10 Home and come with Microsoft Office Home and Student. And it comes with 2 years on-site warranty as well. To compare both of these laptops is actually quite depends, because some of people that prefer slightly bigger screen to do accounting. For example, it comes with the number pad, and some people prefer something small to traveling around. So which one you prefer? Part number 2, commercial laptop. You might ask, what is the difference consumer computer and commercial computer? Both also computer ma, apa different? So actually the difference having 4 points. First point, commercial laptop had been done more than 10 different tests before it launched. Second, the design look professional and it does not have much option for design such as color option. Third point, the license issue. I guess you guys always can see on Facebook or newspaper always talk about MCMC come and catch the pirated license. But do you know if you misusing license you have same issue? No right? You don't know right? Let me tell you, if you're using Windows 10 Home Edition, it doesn't valid for business usage. If you want to use for business for your commercial business, you must have commercial license such as Windows 10 Professional or Microsoft Home and Business license only valid. Fourth, this checkpoint. A lot misleading about this checkpoint. Only IBM got. Actually, IBM had been taken over by Lenovo since few years ago. So, not only Lenovo having this checkpoint. Actually, HP, Acer, Toshiba, Dell also got this checkpoint, but not in red color because red color have been trademarked and brought over by Lenovo. Let's talk about this Lenovo ThinkPad E14. Selling price is 3,422. 14-inch Full HD Intel i5 10th generation 210U processor with 8GB RAM and 256GB PCIe SSD, and also is using Intel UHD graphics. Windows 10 Professional with 1 year warranty. On my left side, we having HP Probook P440. Selling price is 3,499. The screen is using 14-inch HD screen, 1366 x 768. Using Intel i5 10th generation 210U processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, using Intel UHD graphic and Windows 10 Professional with 1 year warranty. So if you buy for your business usage, please remember, choose Windows 10 Professional and Microsoft Home and Business. Part 3, gaming laptops. At my right side, we have Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming G3 series. Selling price is 3,199. Using 15.6-inch Full HD with 120Hz screen, and processor is using Ryzen 5 4600H processor. It comes with 8GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB PCIe SSD, using NVIDIA Geforce GTX 1650 4GB, and it comes with Windows 10 Home Edition with 2 years warranty. With 120Hz Ryzen 5 4000 series processor, 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, only selling 3199. Mana jadi? Sini saja ada. At my left side, we have MSI GF63 series. Selling price is 3399. 15.6-inch Full HD. Intel i5 9300H processor. It comes with 4GB RAM and 512GB PCIe SSD. And it is using NVIDIA Geforce GTX 1650 Ti 4GB graphics cards. Windows 10 Home Edition with 2 years warranty. If you're looking something overall good performance, you can go for Lenovo. If you're looking for something higher graphics, you can go for MSI because it's using GTX 1650 Ti. In conclusion, if you want to choose a laptop, don't follow the design of the laptop. You say, wow, this is so nice, so cool, and this is so sucks, like old school. No, guys, please follow the performance to choose a laptop. This is first thing. Second, check out after sales service. For example, this is provided with 2 years warranty, and this is also provided with 2 years warranty. Then it's okay lah. Don't compare the 1 year warranty with 2 years warranty. An additional year warranty is to secure your laptop lifespan. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe right now. Next topics, we talk about 4000 budget, what laptop you can get. See you guys.